At the beginning of this year of St. Joseph, declared 150 years ago, patron of the Universal Church by Blessed Pope Pius IX, we ask that he will intervene before the throne of heaven, before the divine child that he carries in his arms and who cannot refuse his prayer. The Church may find its unity again, and also the world will be spared this pandemic, that peace and harmony will return. Also, we ask him to watch over America and bring justice to that situation in that fight between darkness and light, and the forces of evil and those of grace and peace. May truth prevail through the intercession of St. Joseph, patron of the Universal Church. Way back in 1986, when I was still a novice here in Ireland, Mount St. Joseph's Abbey, when his feast came, I was asked to compose something to St. Joseph to be sung at High Mass there on his feast day, the major feast day of the Abbey. So this came in prayer. I hand it back to St. Joseph, who helped to bring this hymn into being. And we ask also that he will watch over all this land where he's been so dearly beloved by the humble people of Ireland. Joseph has always been honoured, along with his Holy Bride, our Blessed Lady, the Immaculate. May he again intervene and watch over Ireland and bring peace and prayer back to this land of saints and scholars. Joseph, our Father and Father of all men, look at this time, look again to thy children, whom in adopting thy Lord thou hast fathered, whom thou hast gathered to be thine own brethren. Called by thy name, on thy name we are calling. Thy charge we are, see the perils befalling. This house that shields neath the strength of thy wisdom, this child that seldom finds help in his falling. We are thy portion, we are thine own burden. Walk thou ahead, place our feet where hast trodden. Thine own unheard and unnoticed come guiding, thy path of hiding where secrets lie hidden. For thou art unknown and wast thus in thy living, none but one ere thee saw in thy giving. And 'tis the obscure path that we would follow, if small eyes hallowed our own deep hid striving. Now we hand over the whole world to the Creator of the universe, and ask that he will save mankind from this pandemic. O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior unto thee. Oh, when thou art